E1. See here what it is given: 431,000. 431,000. So you can see this place value is given according to Indian International Place Value Chart. It is showing the International Place Value Chart, International System. So till now we have done according to Indian number system, as lakh and crore period were given. Now here in E1 it is mentioned according to International Place Value Chart. So we will do according to that. So 431,000. 431,000. So in thousand period, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. Okay. Then 651. 651 in one period, 651 is given. So let us see how the period block for this number will be made. Here you can see the period block I have made for this question. I have put three places in each period. As International Place Value Chart shows, three places for each period. Ones, tens, 100, ones period, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, 1,000 period, million, 10 million, 100 million, million period, and billion, 10 billion, 100 billion in billion period. So let us see our question, what it is given. 431,651. So we will start from right side, ones period, 651. How we will write? 651. And in thousand period, what it is given? 431,000. So 400 at 100 place, 3 at 1,000 place, and 10,000 place, and 1 at 1,000 place. 431,651. So how we will write this number in figure? At in thousand place it is given 431. So we will put comma, 4 ones period, 651. 431 comma 651. 431,651. This is the way to write in figure according to international system. F. 2 million. In million period, million place is given 2. 84,000. 84,000 in thousand period, 100,000 not given, only 1,000 and 10,000 place is given. 80 plus 4,000. 700 at 100 place, 7 and 77. 7 tens and 7 ones. So we will start from right side. In one period it is given 777. So how we will write? 777. After this thousand period, what it is given? 84,000. So 10,000 place 8 and 1,000 place 4. 100,000 is not given, so we will put 0. And then in million period, only million place is given 2. So 2,084,777. How we will write in figure? 2, 084, 777. G. 83 million. It means in million period, two places are given, million and 10 million. 83 means 80 plus 3. 529,000. All three places of 1,000 is given. 529,000. All three places are given in 1,000 period. 101. 101. 100 place 1, 10 place is not given, and 1 place is given. So how we will write? 101. In thousand period 529 is given. So we will write 5 at 100,000, 2 at 10,000 and 9 at 1,000, 529. And in million period 83 is given. So 8 at 10 million and 3 at million. 83, 529, 101. So how we will write this in figure? 83 million, comma 529,000, comma 101. Now last question, H 6 billion. Now see, you can see this is goes to billion period. So in billion, only billion place is given, that is 6 billion. 9 million. Then next is million period given, only million place is mentioned, 9 million. 50,000, 50,000, 100,000 is not given, only 1,000 and 10,000 place is given. 392. So how we will write this number? 392 in ones period. In thousand period it is given 50,000. 100 place is not mentioned, so we will write 0. And in million period only million place is given, that is 9 million. 10 million is not given, 100 million is not given, so we will put 0 in both the places. Then in billion periods, at billion place 6 is given, and 10 billion, 100 billion not given. So this number we have written in block. How we will write this in figure? You can see 6 billion, billion period over, comma 009 million period, comma 050 thousand period, 392 ones period. So this is the way to write this number in figure. So students, we have done this question number 5 of this exercise 3.1. Now do practice it, and in my next video we will continue with question number 6.